We are a full-service European automotive repair shop in Brooklyn, New York, with over 25 years of experience. Our mission at MINHS Automotive is to earn our customers' loyalty by delivering high standards of service, professionalism, and quality customer care. We work ethically and focus on meeting and striving to exceed customers' expectations. And it's this devotion of delivering a superior standard of service, partnered with a sense of personal pride and community responsibility that has contributed to our success. At MINHS Automotive, we are dedicated to our customer satisfaction and trust. We provide repairs and maintenance on luxury European vehicles and offer a nationwide warranty on our services for 3 years, 36,000 miles, to give our customers a peace of mind. There's no better place to have your car serviced than at MINHS Automotive. We pride ourselves on ensuring that you and your luxury car receive the highest level of care and attention. Having your car serviced by us means that you can count on the expertise of our certified technicians to maintain your vehicle's performance and hold your vehicle's value for many years to come. Our service advisors will keep you informed throughout the repair process, explaining your concerns with photos and videos of your vehicle. That means you'll know the what and the why clearly and have no lingering questions. So stop by today and join our growing family of satisfied customers.